Hi guys, I'm Bex from Bex Makeup and Skincare. I'm going to be showing you this look I've just done. So this look is what I like to call my Sunday look. We're just racing out the door to catch up with friends. It's just one of those things that is super easy to do and I'd love to show it to you today. So let's have a look. So first things first, I make sure that I have a clean face. So I've done my skincare, I've washed my face, done my moisturizer, and then after that I'm going to start off with a product called Color Correcting Tinted Moisturizer. Now this is the SeneGence one. I use the color light. You can get it in a whole range of different colors, but it actually color corrects to 5 shades lighter and 5 shades darker. So that's why I love this product. You can't really go wrong with it. So basically a pump onto my hand. I like to use my fingers, warm the product up and literally just go all over my face. So yeah, so basically it is the most beautiful base. I wear it daily. Now because it's Sunday, I'm just going to wear that as a base and not wear any foundation today because it's Sunday. So next thing I'm going to use is a product called SeneGence. Now SeneGence was designed as an eyeshadow, but you can use it all over your face. So I'm going to use this as an under eye brightener, straight from the bottle, under my eye, and also as a spot concealer. So I've got a couple of poxy pimples here, and I've got one on my neck at the moment, which is rather annoying. And I've got a little one just up here which I want to cover the redness. So I like to use, once again, in my finger. I use my middle finger because it's nice and soft. You can use a brush doing this. Personally, I just like the warmth of my finger. I rub it on the lid of my eye as an eyeshadow base, but can you see it's just brightened up under my eye so much. With concealing, I just like to pat this product, not rub it, so because I want it to stay in that spot and conceal those pimples. So there you go, SeneGence and Candlelight is the colour, and it's just used as an under eye brightener. Fantastic for, I'm a mum with a 3 and a 5-year-old, so I like it on days where I don't get much sleep. So that's what I've used on my eye. On days like Sundays where I just want it to be chilled out. I do like to fill my brows in a bit because they're quite dark, they're quite light. So I like to fill in my brows. They're a little bit light and patchy, but I use this product here which is called Brow Sense in the colour dark with the spoolie on the end in my brows on like lazy Sunday days. But we're going out, and basically this is the liquid. It's got a little brush and you just don't have to be perfect with it at all, and then you use the spoolie end to do all of the work. So the spoolie just goes through and brushes the product through. There you go. So it's a really light coverage. It's very much just to fill it in and to make it a little bit darker, very natural, and just make sure there's no gaps in my brows. This isn't a structured way of doing your brows, so be mindful of that. It's basically just filling in your brow a little bit and giving it a bit of color. If I was going to do a more structured brow, I'd use one of the SeneGence colors. Usually I used something like Smoked Topaz if I'm going to work, and I use a pencil to fill it in, or Garnet or something like that if I was going out. But it's a lazy Sunday look today. We're going to catch up with friends, so it just needs to be very casual. So next, after that, I'm going to put a little bit of color in my cheeks because I just like to put a little bit of colour. I'm a bit pale, so it's nice. So I'm actually going to use another SeneGence colour, hence why I was saying before you can use it all over your face. I'm going to just get a little brush, fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go from about here down to the apple of my cheek. So that just gives this really beautiful soft colour for my face. So it's really, really pretty. For my eyes today, I'm going to just use one single SeneGence colour, and that SeneGence colour is going to be this colour here. It's called Shimmer Mocha Java, and so it's a beautiful earthy brown, but it's got like a metallic-y kind of texture to it, so it is really cool because it looks like we made a big effort and are a bit fancy without actually doing too much. So I'm literally doing the wand from out of the bottle. I've just put it on my lid. Then I'm going to use a fluffy brush. This is a Jessup fluffy brush, and I'm just going to bounce around the outside so there's no harsh lines. Same with this side. There you go. How easy and quick was that? Super easy, super quick. That's what I like. I'm going to go in now with my mascara and my primer. So primer is like a 3-in-1 maximizing primer, and I use this underneath my mascara nearly every single day. You don't have to, but I just find that my lashes have become way more, they appear to be longer and fuller and all those sorts of things from using this, so I love it. So you just put that one on, you can let it dry a little bit before you put your mascara on over the top. I'm going to use the SeneGence mascara in black. This is the non-waterproof one, but it is humidity resistant. So we do have another mascara in the permanent range, which is this blue one, which is the waterproof one, and this bad boy would not come off even if you go swimming in it. But this one here is your regular. I quite like this one on days like this. I'm not going to get any panda eyes at all, I know that, because it doesn't smear, but it's definitely a lot easier to get off than the waterproof mascara. The waterproof mascara is definitely designed to stay on. So I do 2 coats of mascara, so this is the first coat, and then I do a second coat, and I feel that helps to make it become voluminous and you get that volume intensity. So this is layer 1 finished. So I'm just going to quickly do a second layer over the top, and this is what I like to do to get that volume intensity and make sure that all of my lashes are covered. So there you go, I've just done my primer and my 2 coats of the black SeneGence mascara, and so you can see there, I think it just completely finishes off the look. It definitely finishes off having that Shimmer Mocha Java and makes my eyes pop, which is what I want. Now last but not least, this is my lazy Sunday look, so I'm not even going to go with a lip sense colour. Shock horror, I'm actually going to use this gloss here. Now this is a limited edition gloss called Tahitian Pearl. It is beautiful. It's just got this amazing iridescence to it, and I can take that in my handbag. It doesn't have the longevity of like wearing lip sense. You can wear this colour over your lip syncs colour, but because it's a lazy Sunday, I'm basically just going to be using that, having a chat with friends and going out and listening to some music. So keep my hair in a mum bun today. I'm just going to go and get changed and then we're off. So how easy is that? Have a good one. I hope that was a really good tutorial for you guys on getting started with some of these products. They are amazing, long lasting. This won't budge or smudge until I take it off tonight. See you later. Bye.